Hello students, a lovely morning to all of you. I am Mrs. Kavita Modi. Today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter 5, decimals. In this chapter our topics are concept of decimal and decimal used to represent tenth. Let us start with concept of decimal. Arrange number 7 in the place value chart. If we multiply 7 by 10, we get 70. We observe that when we multiply 7 by 10, 7 jumps one column to left. If we divide 70 by 10, we get 7. Again we observe that when we divide 70 by 10, 7 jumps one column to the right. Let us divide 7 again by 10. 7 will jump one more column to the right. So we add one more column called tenth in the place value chart. Then why is there a decimal point? Since 7 upon 10 is a fraction with a value less than 1, we separate 7 upon 10 by a point called a decimal point. What is decimal? The decimal point is used to separate whole numbers from number values less than 1. A decimal number consists of two parts, whole number part and decimal part. These two parts are separated by a dot. For example, 7 divided by 10 is equal to 7 upon 10. We read it as 7 tenth, decimal 7, 0 decimal 7, 0.7 or 0.7. See, in this example, 0 is a whole number part and 7 is a decimal part. And these two parts are separated by a dot. Remember, if there is no digit before decimal point, then add 0 so that it can be read easily. Decimal is represented as dot or point, not 0, small 0, etc. Decimal is written between the whole number part and the fractional part, but never on the blue line in your Math CW, as it becomes sometime non-readable. Look carefully at the given strip. Write the fraction to represent the shaded part. See, the shaded part is 5 and the total part is 10. So the fraction is 5 upon 10. How we will write the fraction in word? Yes, the answer is 5 tenths. Pay attention on the spelling. We need to write TENTHS. In decimal, it is written as 0.5. Let us solve one more example. Look carefully at the given strip. Write the fraction to represent the shaded part. See, the whole number part is 3 and the fraction part is 7 upon 10. So, the answer is 3 7 upon 10. And the number name is 3 and 7 tenths. In decimal, it is written as 3.7. Let us solve some exercise. Write as decimals. Question number 1. 3 upon 10. We write it as 0.3. Question number 2. 1 upon 10. We write it as 0.1. Question number 3. 5 upon 10. We write it as 0.5. Question number 4. 7 upon 10. We write it as 0.7. Question number 5. 4 upon 10. We write it as 0.4. Next, write as fractions. Question number 1, 0.2. And we write it as 2 upon 10. Question number 2, 0.8. And we write it as, 8 upon 10. Question number 3, 0.9. And we write it as 9 upon 10. Question number 4, 0.6 is equal to, 6 upon 10. And question number 5, 0.1. And 0.1 is write it as 1 upon 10. Let us solve one more question. Write the number names. Question number 1. The answer is 9.4 or 9 and 4 tenths. Question number 2. The answer is 65.8 or 65 and 8 tenths. Question number 3. The answer is 225.7 or 225 and 7/10. Question number 4. The answer is 2987.3 or 2987 and 3/10. Question number 5. The answer is 1087.3 or 1087 and 3/10. Let's solve one more question. Write as decimals. Question number 1. 8/10 and the answer is 0.8. Question number 2. 6 and 2/10 and the answer is 6.2. Question number 3. 53 and 7/10 and the answer is 53.7. Question number 4. 106 and 5/10 and the answer is 106.5. Question number 5. 1006 and 2/10 and the answer is 1006.2. I hope you all understand concept of decimal. So student, complete lesson 5 worksheet 1 once in maths textbook and write with pencil only. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.